Hi, I'm Lena Mack, and today I'm going to share with you how I installed this beautiful LED lit mirror cabinet. I installed this cabinet in less than 10 minutes. It has Bluetooth speakers so I can connect my phone and listen to music. The edges on the old cabinet were fading and chipping. Now that the old cabinet is empty, I see there's 4 screws that are holding it up. So I have to remove those 4 screws. I plugged in the new cabinet just to be sure it works before installing it. Next, I'm going to take a knife and cut around the cabinet edge. This will prevent the paint from peeling when I pull out the cabinet, and it'll save me from having to repaint the wall. Okay, now I can pull the cabinet out. After locating the pre-drilled nailing holes in the new cabinet and measuring the distance between the holes, the next step is locating my wall studs. I marked on the wall where I have to drill the holes, drilling horizontally so that it will be anchored into the wall stud. It's a heavy, sturdy cabinet, so I decided to also use anchors. I'm going to align the cabinet with the pre-drilled holes over the anchors. I'm only going to screw in the top 2 screws, securing only one side so that I can check that it's level before I finish securing the cabinet on the wall. Great, it's level. I can finish securing the bottom part of the cabinet, making sure all the screws are in tight, and now the cabinet is up. Putting silicone corking around the cabinet helps to seal and secure the cabinet to the wall. This is a really nice cabinet. I bought this cabinet at Walmart for $150. Walmart and Amazon had the best LED cabinets and the best prices. I'm gonna share the link down below. It's got a lot of storage space. This is the on and off for the LED light. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This one here displays the time and date and the temperature. This one activates the Bluetooth feature. You can see it blinking. So you would just sync your phone or your music device at this point, and then the music starts to play. And this one here, it's the volume control, so you can decrease or increase the volume. On the top part of the cabinet, you have 2 Bluetooth speakers and the electrical cord. These are the tools that were used for this project.